Venus is 108 million kilometers or 0.72 astronomical units away from the Sun. At this distance, it takes sunlight about 6 minutes to travel from the Sun to Venus. The planet is nearly as big as Earth. Its diameter at its equator is about 12,104 kilometers versus 12,756 kilometers for Earth. Venus has been named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, who was also known as Aphrodite to the ancient Greeks. It's the only planet in our solar system to be named after a female god. Interestingly, in Hindi, the same planet is seen in a male form and is called as Shukra Graha. From Earth, Venus is the second brightest object in the night sky after our own moon. Venus is tilted at an angle of 3 degrees with respect to the perpendicular to its orbital plane and rotates clockwise on its axis, which is opposite to most of the planets in our solar system. Venus takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis, making its one day as long as Earth's 243 days, whereas Venus takes 225 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun, making its year 225 Earth days long. So you can see that Venus's days are longer than its year. Venus has a barren, dim, and rocky landscape and a sky that has sulfur yellowish color. It has valleys and high mountains marked with thousands of volcanoes. These are some of the prominent features of its surface: Ishtar Terra Highlands, Aphrodite Terra, Maxwell Montes, Sacagawea Patera Crater, Diana Canyon, Pancake Domes, Tick Domes, and Tesserae Terrain. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, even hotter than Mercury. The atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide with clouds composed of sulfuric acid. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. These greenhouse gases keep the surface temperature consistent, averaging around 460 degrees Celsius throughout the day and night, which destroys any possibilities for life on the planet's surface. There is a very little information about the internal structures of Venus, but due to similar size and density to Earth, it is assumed that Venus has similar internal structure to that of Earth, that is iron core enveloped by a hot rock mantle and thinness of skins forming a rocky exterior crust in almost the similar size ratio as that of Earth. The principal difference between Earth and the Venus is the lack of plate tectonics on Venus. The result is reduced heat loss from the planet, preventing it from cooling and resulting in lack of internally generated magnetic field. Instead, Venus has what is known as induced magnetic field. This weak magnetic field is created by the interaction of Sun's magnetic field and the planet's outer atmosphere. Apart from Mercury, Venus is the only other planet in the solar system that does not have a moon, but it does have a quasi-satellite that has officially been named as Zeus V. So this is all about Venus.